Hi Ted, good evening. This is how the birds are really spoiling my maize plantation. They eat the written one. I think I've taken long before updating you on the maize. But the birds are really a menace, although some are very good. Just waiting for the rain to stop so that they can dry up and for harvesting, but majority lol. I have to put a scarecrow here so that I can be saved from this bird. They are really messing up everything here, Ted. This is crazy. This is crazy. You can see that one there. So I'll have to put, I don't know what I can put to scare the birds off. They really work on the maize badly. In every row is a problem. You can see that one they've eaten is almost full. So some of them are just tying up, like this one I've tied up with the leaves. I've also tied this one with the leaves, and that one is really messed up there. Hopefully I will manage to handle all this, but otherwise I've just been concentrating on the house project there. It's really eating my mind.